We're trying to find translation of woman or babae in whatever language here. And first we thought of Paranuman, but there's already a band named Paranuman. And then we heard of Bayhana. It sounds really nice. And so we thought of Bayhana. And the direct translation is...
Well, I grew up hearing it used sa bahay. So parang, kanang Bayhana na, that girl. So,
Yeah.
so that's us.
That girl. So where do you regularly perform? It's like I heard like a friend of mine saw your show in
We usually perform in corporate events, weddings. From time to time, we perform in Tago Jazz Cafe or at 70s Bistro. Usually, they're more private events.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, for now, because Acapella Open is a joint foundation with the Music School of Brian Cayabyab. And so we would rehearse at the music school at Robinson's Galleria, and then some of the acapella groups who were also part of the Acapella Open were basically formed in that music school.
I recorded his own voice 16 times, so
I think pinakamahirap na gawing a cappella are the songs na nagawa na ng chorals. Kasi you really have to try to gear away from sounding like a choral. So I think yes, mahirap yung mga Cayabyab songs talaga na gawing contemporary a cappella. A cappella and contemporary a cappella are two different things. Kaya yun, you really have to gear away from kung ano na yung narinig nila before. So wala talaga specific song pero yun nga, choral music at mahirap siya. Never.
I think because there's only three of us, any song that's a cappella is a bit hard for us. Especially I think yung mga mabilis or yung mga mas may beat kasi we don't have a beatbox or yun. Cayabyab songs, we've actually not done a lot of Cayabyab songs. Because I think but Krina kasi of course has her own style and her own flavor of music, which is really excellent. So for this show though, we're doing a few Cayabyab songs that are a few of our favorites. So yun nga lang, kasi syempre mas sanay sila sa acapella. I think kami we're still hoping to find the perfect arrangement or that will work for three voices. So,
just like that.